Today, we're going to find out what's inside the box of an Arco Zeus external regulator. Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat.
All right. So in the box, got some pretty good padding. Seems pretty firm. So it should be well protected in shipping. First thing you have is a card that has a QR code on it so that you can download the app. The Arco Zeus has Bluetooth connectivity built into it, and so this downloads the app so you can connect to the Arco Zeus with your phone. We have the Arco Zeus module. It's a pretty substantial module. It's a little bigger than I thought it would be, but that makes it robust. It comes with the Bluetooth antenna built in. It's got a place for an EMEA 2000 cable, a CAN bus, RJ45 cable, your battery harness, and your alternator harness. You have mounts here, 2 on either side to mount it to a wall. The foam protector. And next we have, this is the alternator harness and thermistor. That's the thermistor. And this is your alternator harness. Under that, we have the battery harness and another thermistor. This is the battery harness, and that's it. So that's what's in the box of an Arco Zeus external regulator. Thanks for watching.